gonna show you how I get this dewy, glowy all day look. Hi guys. I wasn't planning on filming this today, but I'm getting ready for the day, so I might as well. I have the oil on my skin already. I'm using this Biossance Squalene Vitamin C Rose Oil. I just put a little bit on my hands and I just pat it into the skin. And that's it. Don't rub, just gently pat all over. I've had this on for a little bit though, probably about, 30 minutes or so. All right, we're going in with 2 different foundations today. I know that might sound like a lot, but I'm using this Revlon Color Stay Longwear Makeup. I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't like this for all over my face, but I do really like it for under my eyes. So, I'm just gonna go like this. And then I'm gonna use the Maybelline Dewy and Smooth. I love this for all over the face. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, which is where I showed this and the reason why I'm even filming this video, I have been putting oil on the skin underneath my makeup, and I have just found it to give me like the most beautiful glow, and I just think it's so stunning and it looks so healthy. Now that I put that everywhere, I'm gonna take this brush and I'm going to, I don't want to say smear, I'm gonna brush the foundation all over. And then when I'm done brushing it, I'm gonna take my beauty blender, or this, it's not a beauty blender, my little Real Technique sponge, and I'm going to just pat it all in. I love to use the brush and then the sponge. I just think it gives just a really beautiful base. Add a little bit to the forehead as well, obviously. I can't stop that SZA song, or that was like a clip from SNL. I need a big boy. You guys, look at how it's so glowy and beautiful. I don't use a lot of face powder or anything, but I will use a little bit. So I'm gonna go with the Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm just gonna use this super fluffy brush. Also, have you guys seen how Hailey Bieber's makeup artist does her makeup with the contour blush first and the foundation last with like a brush like this? I kind of want to try it, but I'm a little intimidated. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like, that looks scary. Okay, then I'm gonna lightly set, but I don't want to like make it look matte. Does that make sense? See how you still see the glow? So I feel like this helps set everything without it being too heavy or too much. Just look how pretty this is. I want to use this highlight. There's that pink one that's really pretty too. I think this pink one will be really fun for springtime. But I'm gonna go in with this like little like golden one right now. I haven't used it yet, so. Do a little on my forehead too. I know, on my chin. I love it. I love looking glowy because I just think it looks so healthy, but I don't like to overdo the glow. I want it to be like glowy, but not like extreme highlight, extreme this. Does that make sense? And now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this bronzer right here because it's more of a matte kind of contoury bronzer, I feel like. But I think I'm gonna take a little bit of this and just, you know, one thing I do have a problem with is sometimes when I do this, and I stretch my neck out and I go like this, I end up with a line up there. Be careful with that. I've done that too many times. I just don't, because I don't really see it. I'm gonna go in with the same bronzer I've been using forever. Like, I have finally hit pan. She looks really dirty, honestly. This is the Youngblood Defining Bronzer in Caliente. Woo! I love this stuff. I will say though, I feel like I have to kind of like brush over it. You know when a powder gets kind of flat and you feel like you can't get much product up anymore? I have to like scratch off the top. I don't know if that makes sense, but I feel like I have to do that with this one. Okay, now I'm just gonna, this one's gonna bring more color into my face. Now when I'm doing this bronzer, I just really like to tap, and I know that might look kind of funny, but I'll show you what I do in the end to kind of blend it all together. But, and honestly, I will push it into my hairline too, since I do have a little tan on right now. Now what I'll do is, I'll go back in with my powder brush that I used to begin with, and I just kind of gently go like this. I don't know why. And I also will go in with my little blender girl. I don't know if this actually does anything, but in my mind it does. You guys, I'm not a makeup artist, okay? This is just like what I do. I don't know if this is the right way to do things. This is just how I do things, and that's just what it is. The foundation on my lips, don't mind that. We're gonna go in with the browsies. I just have like dark hair, eyebrows anyway, so I really only fill in any sparse areas. And I've been trying to grow back my sparse areas so I don't have to do my brows. See, boom. I just want the most natural looking brow. I like don't wear eyeshadow. I'm not an eyeshadow girl. I feel like it looks heavy on my eyes, but I'm gonna take my finger, okay? I'm gonna dip into this highlight just a little bit, and I'm gonna gently dab right here, okay? I like a little glow. And then, this might sound kind of funny, but it's like my favorite little eyelid hack, okay? I'm gonna take my bronzing brush that I use. I'm gonna take an eyeshadow brush and I just kind of dig it in here. I wipe it on here. I know this might look kind of funny, but I don't want this to hit the actual product because I'll get too much, but I'll just like gently go over the lid. See that? You get the perfect amount of product over the lid, just up like this. That's all I want. So everything can kind of like blend in together. Now you can spray your face if you want to. I'm gonna spray my face just because I have a bunch of filming I want to do today. So we're gonna set this. I always set my makeup before mascara and lips. I'm using the Pot Beauty Magnet Mist. They sent this to me. I really love this stuff. As you can tell, I've almost used the entire bottle. I've liked this stuff a lot. So we're gonna use it right now. I don't know how much you're supposed to do, but I just spray all over and then I flap my hands around like this. My favorite mascara right now, you guys, I have to be on a hunt for a new one after this because Bite Beauty doesn't exist anymore, and I found this mascara in my makeup box in my closet and I'm obsessed with this stuff. I love it so much, but the brand shut down. So yeah, I need to find another good mascara. If you have one that you love, let me know. I feel like everything I use smears and this one doesn't, and it makes my lashes look so long and good, and now I can't use her anymore. If you know anything good, please let me know. I also had to take my nails off for a bit because my natural nails were looking so sad. I think the last few sets of nails that I had on, I purchased new press-ons, and I think they were too tight or like too rounded for my natural nail because they were squeezing the sides of my nail and then my nails were swollen underneath. Literally, it looked crazy. So I had to take them off and just put my gel nails on for a bit, and my natural nails have already gone down so much. They were really sore and hurt, and I was like, okay, no. I also think I like this Bite mascara too because it's a little dry, and I love when mascara dries up a little bit. When mascara is like too wet, still, like when you first get a mascara, I'm like this. I like it when it's a little dried out. I don't know, is that just me? Now I'm gonna let the mascara on my eyelids dry a little bit. We're gonna brush our teeth so we can do our lips. Now for lips, we're doing, I think I'm gonna do more of a glossier lip today. I'm gonna go in with Bare. I have two of them. By LA Girl. If there's one thing I can't live without makeup wise, it's a lip liner. I like to go under the bottom lip, and then I try to just follow up my natural lip line on the sides. And then I'll kind of just drag it in, but I don't do like the whole lip. And then because this side of my lip kind of goes down and this one doesn't, I try to just even those out. This is what I use every single day. You guys always ask me. This is the NYX, what is this called? The Shine Loud in the color Global Citizen. And you're just gonna dab in the middle. We wanna allow this to dry before we go in with other lip products. And while we do that, I'm going to take this little brush and clean off the mascara from my lids. I'm going in with this. It's also from Pot Beauty. They sent this to me. This is their permanent pout. Oh my gosh, I need glasses. In the color Bare Blush. Put a little on my finger like this. Just a little, and I'm gonna dab. I love dabbing product because I feel like it melts it in, and I feel like I have more control over it. Then we'll go in with the gloss, but I'm gonna do that last. I'll see you guys in a second. I wanna blow dry my hair first because, you know, wind and gloss, blow dryer and gloss, no, doesn't go hand in hand. So I'll see you in a sec. How gorgeous, you see, even after I've blow dried, it still has this glow. Look at the top of these hairs. Final look. It's super easy. This literally lasts all day long too, you guys. I love it. Try it out if you do this. Let me know, send me photos, tell me your thoughts. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye guys.